TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another non-phone. Yes, this customer service position is non-phone. It's chat, email, social media based, work from home job. But real quickly, before we dive on into all of the juicy details, if you're new to this channel, we are all about the work from home life and the work from home life balance over here. So we are always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs and sharing them on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. And as always, the links to everything are in the description box below. Today's job lead is from the pajama company Little Sleepies. Now, Little Sleepies is hiring a customer support specialist. This is remote work from home within the United States. So they are looking for highly motivated customer support specialists with experience in direct consumer e-commerce transactions to enhance their customer service team. You'll be the first point of contact through their different channels, including email, social media channels, and chat, which is, it says Georgia's and Facebook. Now it says this is a remote position located anywhere within the United States. They don't sponsor visas at this time, so you have to be authorized to work in the United States. But even though it is nationwide, they are looking for someone to specifically work this schedule of either Tuesday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, or Sunday through Thursday shift, and that's their busiest hours are 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, and that's when they want to staff their customer service. So it says they do offer flexibility on schedules within those times. So if that sounds great to you, of course they're looking for someone to understand the customer's needs and execute the appropriate policies and procedures to best serve the customer and the company. You'll respond to customer inquiries in a timely manner through email, social media, and chat. You'll assure that all the proper actions are taken to resolve the customer's problems and concerns, and you'll have to be able to handle a high volume of emails and messages from customers while creating a positive experience. So they do not require any college degree, a high school diploma, or equivalent. They do want someone, though, who has 3 years of customer service experience, someone who has strong attention to detail, great computer skills, someone who's excellent written and verbal communication skills, someone who can be a multitasker and have great time management skills, and of course, someone who can be highly empathetic to the customer and their needs. Now, unfortunately, this position did not list pay. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview because that is always dependent on experience and location, but they do offer a whole benefit package, including health, dental, vision, paid time off, 401k, all the main things, but they also offer a company-issued computer, so they will give you all the computer equipment you need to do the job, and they also offer an internet stipend. So not only do they provide the computer equipment, but they give you extra money in your paycheck to pay your internet bill. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.